Welcome to Selkirk GM. Today we're showing you the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Equinox RS. This vehicle has the 1.5 liter turbo engine mated with a 6-speed transmission. This is in the color Blue Glow Metallic. We are on the inside of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. You can see here this vehicle does come with heated steering as well as your lane keep assist on your steering wheel, cruise control, and forward collision alert. You have your infotainment system here, which does have embedded navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you'll be able to be connected no matter where you are. You also have heated seats in this vehicle. The RS has the unique red stitching. As you can see here, this is a cloth interior with the red accents. This also has a full panoramic moonroof. The 2022 redesign features a new rear and front look as well as a different grille. The RS package does have your black bow tie. It has LED daytime running lamps as well as your headlamps. It also comes with the 19-inch wheels. Keyless entry on the side doors. In the back here, you do have your fold flat seats, as well as vents and additional USB ports for your passengers. You also have a power lift gate, allowing you to easily get into the back. This does have mats as well to protect the back of the vehicle, and you can easily pull down the back seats with those handles. Thank you for watching this brief walk around on the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox RS. If this is your next vehicle, you can shop here at 1010 Manitoba or online at selkirkchevrolet.com.